Assalamu alaikum class. Our topic of discussion is the digestion in amoeba. Amoeba is included in the protozoa, and protozoa are single-celled organisms. Okay, protozoa are single-celled organisms. Scientific name of this amoeba is known as the amoeba proteus. There is specific method to write the scientific name. First name is the genus name. Second name is the species name. Okay, first letter of the genus name is always capital, and the first letter of species name is always in small alphabets. So here this is clearly visible in this writing. Okay, now our main focus is on the digestion in amoeba. As you know that amoeba is a single cell organism, so there is no cavity for the digestion of the food products. Digestion is intracellular in case of amoeba. Its main digestion occurs within the cell. This is visible in this diagram. Amoeba mostly feed on the tiny organisms which are present in the fresh water or the marine water or shallow lakes. Amoeba also feed on the organic substances too. Because its habitat is water, it is present in the water, so definitely it feed on the food, those particles which are present in water. Okay, now how digestion or ingestion occur in amoeba? When the food particle come in contact with the amoeba, here you can see that amoeba don't have any kind of specific shape. These are the cytoplasmic extensions of the amoeba, and these are known as the pseudopodium. When the food particle come in contact with the amoeba, these pseudopodia encircle the food particle and the food vacuole is formed. Okay, these pseudopodia encircle the food particles and then pseudopodia is formed. If the food particle is too large, just like the paramecium, and when the pseudopodia of the amoeba encircles the food particle or paramecium, it forms a large food particle. First of all, amoeba, this food particle undergo various changes when the digestion proceeds. First it grows smaller, then it grows larger, and lysosomes are the organelle present in the animal body which contain the hydrolytic enzymes. Its main enzymes responsible for the breakdown of the substances in the presence of water. Hydrolytic enzymes is responsible for the breakdown of the substances. Okay, next these first stage of the digestion is the killing and the softening of the food that occur in the acidic media. Its mean pH must be 5.6. In the pH scale, 7 pH is neutral, while moving from 7 to the 1 pH is acidic, and moving from 7 to 14 pH is basic. 5.6 pH is acidic, but this is not too much acidic. You can say that this is moderately acidic pH, and later it become alkaline pH 7.3 when the digestion is completed. When the digestion is completed, finally then a food vacuole is converted into the fine particles, fine canals, and these fine canals distributed the food particles into the whole cytoplasm. Here you can see in next diagram. This is the diagram of the amoeba. Food particles enter into the amoeba, then the food vacuole is formed. First this vacuole decreases in size, and then the enzymes, these smaller extensions are the enzymes. These combine with the food particle and the food digestion occur. Then fine canals radiate from the food particle and distributed food throughout the cytoplasm, and then the waste material is ejected from the amoeba through any surface of the body. This is the ingestion, digestion and absorption of the food in the amoeba. Food vacuole, it grows smaller, then it grows larger, and then again smaller. Then lysosomes combine with the vacuole and food digestion occur in amoeba. First stage of digestion is the killing and the killing of the microorganism at the acidic pH, that is the 5.6. Then the pH is converting into the alkaline, that is the 7.3 pH. And when digestion is completed, these fine canals which extend from the vacuole and distribute the food particles into the whole cytoplasm, and then digested material is released from any surface of the body of the amoeba. This is the completion of the topic. Thank you.